I'm at the lighthouse, Kennewick, Clover Island, and yeah, our BMW Freeriders group, we're meeting here at 10, and we're going to do our April club ride. Plan for today is to go to Palouse Falls, Lions Ferry, Dayton and stuff, but we're going to drop down to the Snake River in about as many places as possible, so that, you know, just to access. There'll be quite a bit of gravel. I think this is everybody.
Everybody was on the list.
I think so. I don't know of anybody else we're missing, but
Now, Dan, so my request is Ice Harbor Dam to get my picture.
yeah.
And Tony needs it.
I didn't bring my flag.
You have two of them.
We use his flag.
Just put your picture, your face in. On the way back?
Yeah.
On the return
So
trip?
Yeah.
Loop around and come to the south side on the way back.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
And then,
Yeah, we'll come both sides of Ice Harbor.
I'm going to stop.
Huh?
I didn't hear.
I invited family over, but you're welcome to come.
Yeah, Cody. Nice
Yeah.
to meet you.
Yeah.
He'll adopt you for the day.
But if you're coming, I got to buy a couple more slabs. a little bit more pork. There's a lot of water coming over. A lot of mist. Oh my gosh, that water is ripping. Wow. Got a pretty good wind blowing here. Ice Harbor Dam. Let's see if we see what else is going on here. Oh yeah, here comes the rest of the group. There you go. Looks good. Here it goes. Let's zoom, huh? Zoom, zoom. Levee Park. Hi there.
Fascinated with everybody.
Hi there. You think it's some kind of space alien? Hi. How are you? You're beautiful. Hi. 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 Yes. Look at you. Is that your mama? Is that?
She just got hearing implants.
Oh. Oh yeah. Hi. Yeah. Look at those. You can hear. That's fabulous.
Yeah, I hold you.
There you go. That's fabulous. She got her hearing implants and she can hear.
Yeah, they all got little outfits like
That wind is cold. That was a challenge, getting that tire back on the rim. We had our best people on it. Thanks everyone for coming out for the April Club ride. We got home, still have air in my tire. And anyway, one navigation error turned into an extra sum of miles. I think I had 224 miles by the time I got home, a little more than I expected. Got home, not a lot of fuel left. But anyway, thanks everybody, good time, and look forward to the next club ride.